Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you the difference between Pluto TV and Plex. So the Pluto TV is, here you can see, that is a free ad supported streaming television service owned and operated by the Paramount streaming division of Paramount Global. So here you can see that ad supported streaming television service. So this is basically owned by Paramount streaming division, and you can see different ads on this, and basically it is here you can see ad supported streaming television, but you can see a lot of ads on that. On the other hand, Plex available on almost any device. Plex is the first and only streaming platform to offer free ad supported movies, shows and live TV together with the ability to watch anywhere. So here you can see that if you want to use this, you simply need to click on start streaming, and basically you can buy this because it is a month, it is or a subscription base, and you can see a vast content here. But on the Pluto TV, content is very limited, and Pluto TV is a fragment of Netflix, but Plex is a whole different platform, and that offers a lot of movies for you. And basically I like Plex TV more because it is great and you can see a lot of content here. So Pluto TV is much less in the content, and on the Plex you can see a lot of content. And basically this is it, and it is up to you which one you like, but mostly people like Plex. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. Well, see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.